Sangut Gibril Asyakem Holga Jingkeno Dengketi Ban Penyap Yau Raja Rakhobansi Hakatany Sora Ha Ubna Jemang Bladeb Kipulit Kemikhaya Grakem Yakina Madhya Pradesh Bad Uttar Pradesh Rengkat Kipulit yang ketiga jela Mantakasngi ke Kendai Tarik Ujeleo Ajal Pusan USP ka Iska Sehil Ba Bibik Sim Loong Ba Ibasyakem Gide Gibla Tip Keteng Kumu Akash Rajput Kat Kendai Snem Vishal Singh Chauhan Afu Asnem Raj Kushwaha Afu Asnem Baru Anand Koli Afu Asnem Kat Baka Sonam Rakhobansi Klasyakem Hadin Begalej Ban IT Haki Pulit Hakasipur Uttar Pradesh Lakem Yikini Gibreu Laingut Hakapol Menmit Kumbasipau Baje Hakak Pratrik Ujeleu USP ka iskasil ang badai hadin basyakem kini Gibreu Baka Sonam Klami Najakari Ban Lej Syadaba Hakasipur Hakapol Sibaje Mestep Kini laingut kintup Yau Akash Anand Bat Vishal Kila Wanlang sa Silong Bat Katkum Gipulit Lembaga Postmortem Uraja Shah Khyrwit Nakabenta ke Khlieh Kebasyadin Bat Nakmat Da ke Kenja Banep Haka Alprai Tarik Ujemang Bat Maryadep Kini Akrat Sundan Wud Nakat Hakatiga Sengi Nakani Jela Katkum Kubor Uraj Kushwaha Uday Badon Kejinya Ri Bat Kasonam Rakhobansi Ublatrai do hakam business jongka Bat day uway na basyak kenok dengketi ban plan yang kini kakam Kipulit lap kesai Gibadon keti Day lembaka mobile phone Kabla Baka Sonam Rakhobansi Bat Uraj Kushwaha Ki ajui keren phone man kapol Bat daki kenta
4 or 5?
Formal arrest is 4. One is yet to be arrested because the team is going to Gazipur.
So some reports, the autopsy report and all those details.
Like I said, in fact, when we actually had done the inquest, we saw that there were sharp wounds on the head, and autopsy report from migrants has indicated that there were 2 sharp cuts on the head, one from behind and one from in front.
And it matches the weapon.
Is this 3 guys,
These are
Akash and Anand, are the one who came to Shillong?
Yes, Akash, Anand, and Vishal Singh Chauhan. They came to Shillong.
Sir, can we say that Sonam is the prime accused right now?
You can say she's the one of the prime accused. Others are co-accused. I mean, the others are assailants. They committed the murder, but the planning and involvement is you cannot rule out Sonam Rakhobansi.
What are the backgrounds of
This is Akash Rajput, 19 years, from Lalitpur. The second person who was arrested was Shri Vishal Singh Chauhan, 22 years, from Indore.
Here?
The third person was Shri Raj Singh Kushwaha, 21 years, from Indore only. And yesterday, Sonam Rakhobansi, who is actually in Ghaziabad in Nanganj police station. And this afternoon, 12 about in mid-noon, we had arrested Anand Kurmi, 23 years, in Basahari village, Sagar district, Madhya Pradesh. So these are the 4 people who have been arrested, plus 1 person who is actually detained in Nandgarh police station. A team is heading there. 2 teams had gone on the 8th, that is Sunday. The raid was conducted yesterday, along with UP police and Madhya Pradesh police. The 3rd team is on its way to UP to actually cause arrest of Sonam Rakhobansi.
So can you
the police has been able to first
let me take
arrest
it.
these 3
See,
commanders.
the arrest happened last night at around 10 o'clock, night time. Then in due course of time, again the second one, the third one, and the latest one happened this morning, as rightly mentioned by our SP, Mr. Vivek Singh. That is the last one, and in between of that again the lady so-called wife of late Raja, again surrender herself to the nearest police station.
These people committed the crime on the 23rd and had left this place on 23rd. We that time we didn't know whether it was murder. We were looking for them, looking for tourists who actually probably would have been lost. We looked at people who are missing. It was still a missing report. No body was found. Body was found only on the 2nd. That's when SIT was formed and investigation started.
So, did they travel by flight or train or?
See, those nitty-gritties of the investigation will once the accused come here and all that, then we can be able to.
I think, see, this kind of question, please, I would like to request all of you. As I said, I think the real issue here is to nab the culprit, the suspects. So now we have done that. The first phase is completed, and now the second phase is just started. And please be patient, wait with us. And I'm very sure all the truth will come out in course of the investigation.
At this juncture, we can say that when SIT within 7 days has actually accumulated substantial evidence and has gone down there and zeroed down on the culprits. Okay, SIT just didn't go there and look for suspects. SIT went down there with firm evidence and knew who the culprits were. You know, after doing a lot of homework out here, they went there, and with the help of our counterparts, we arrested them. It's not that, you know, and we just took a shot in the sky. It was a lot of substantial evidence, a lot of ground spade work was done.
Sir, can you shed more light on this? Raj Kushwaha is the boyfriend here who is with Sonam. An extramarital affair was there, and also this was a pre-planned. Just if you can rule out or whatever.
See, if we connect the dots, preliminary investigation will indicate that that's how this whole motive and crime was unearthed. Because when we actually had connected the dots, it was actually Raj Kushwaha with Sonam. So when they come here, that will be confirmed. At this juncture, I will not be able to say what exactly is the motive, but it indicates towards that.
Sir, if you can tell us the trail of the crime and whether those 3 people who were seen there, are these the same people who have been arrested?
Who the local guide had mentioned that he saw 3 people with Raja.
And also the trail of the crime, if you can share a bit, sir.
Sorry, the trail of the
Crime, sir. Like how happened, what they had.
No, see, I'll not divulge exactly chronologically, exactly bit by bit. But what I can tell you, what Princess asked, is I can tell you now is that those 3 people who had come up with them are the same people, yes.
Sir, who informed your police, sir? Is it Sonam or like somebody else, sir? Because one Dhaba person was been involved in this and reportedly said that the Dhaba person have called the police. So who informed you, sir?
See, if you look at the logical sequence of events last night, all these days Sonam was underground. These people also had gone underground. And yesterday when the operation started, suddenly she surfaced. What does it indicate?
If we see, so Sonam's family had been claiming that she is alive before she surfaced. So is there any possibility that she was already in touch with some of her family members and they were deliberately trying to mislead the entire investigation of the Meghalaya police?
I will not delve into that because that would be speculation. What I'm going is just by the bare facts of the case. Who's involved out here? Where did she go? That will be just the bare fact. We'll go by the evidence of the case and go by the facts of the matter. Whether she was in touch with anybody, that will be when the investigation starts properly, when she's brought here.
Sir, the alleged boyfriend is also with Sonam in Sora, sir?
Sorry?
The alleged boyfriend Raj is also with Sonam in Sora, or?
No.
So it was been alleged that Sonam have given the contract of the killing. So is it true, sir?
That is subject to investigation. But what I can see out here is that Sonam also is a prime accused out here.
Can you tell us the transit remand? How many days it will take? Transit remand.
Now they're producing them in court. We'll come to know how many days they require.
Yeah, which
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll bring them.